We had been receiving many calls from all over the world, especially from not only from Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, but we had been receiving calls from Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and many other states about Kalyana Tirupati.
Okay.
One of the main reason may be Kalyana Tirupati name is having the distinction of Tirupati.
Okay.
Many people think that we are closely attached to the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, but it is not so. Kalyana Tirupati is situated in Hyderabad, Kutbulapur municipality, Padmanagar Colony 1. The speciality of this temple is it is a revolutionary temple really. The reason is it has been constructed with a concept of emphasizing more of devotion rather than worship. What we felt is, unless our Indians, mostly Hindus, they understand about the great values of their own religion, we may not be able to attach ourselves cohesively and form a great Indian team. So what we thought is, let us construct a hall where we can arrange for religious concerts, almost because there is one Kalyana Mandapam in this temple, there is a bookstall. The Kalyana Tirupati temple has been constructed with a view of developing this team spirit among the Hindus. So what we thought is, let us have a meeting hall. Kalyana Mandapam is available, in which we hardly celebrate. We give for rent of hardly 10,000 rupees per one occasion. So what happens is, almost for 250 days, the Kalyana Mandapam marriage hall is available for religious concerts. We want to make, and almost more than 1,000 people can be accommodated in the Kalyana Mandapam. So what we thought is, let us have regular religious concerts so that the devotees can assemble in the temple and they understand about the intricacies and the inner knowledge of the Hindu knowledge, religion and Hindu philosophy, so that we become strong devotees.
So, sir, can you please explain the floor in which the Kalyana Mandapam, in which the other programs,
yes,
in which our worship God is there?
Certainly, sir. Sir, in the ground floor, there is a parking place, there is a stage. The speciality of this stage is, just switch on and the stage is available for celebrating any of the festivals, be it Vinayak Chaturthi or Dasara or any festival. The stage is available without we spending much of money. And height of the stage, since it is already fixed because of a concrete slab, you cannot make extravagant expenditures in the name of festivals. There is an office and also we have got a bookstall and library. The reason is so that those who cannot afford to buy a book, they can come to our library, they can read our religious books. Also, whatever books they want, they can ask us to buy, we will buy and give them at concessional rates. And in the first floor, there is Kalyana Mandapam, sir, in which more than 1,000 people can be accommodated. In the first floor also, we conduct, whenever bigger masses are assembling, like Swamiji Kalyanam, etc., we celebrate in the first floor. In the second floor, we have got a dining hall, because we wanted to, at least on every Saturday, we wanted to give Annadanam every Saturday, and with that concept we have provided. There is a stage there also. Whosoever wants to celebrate small occasions, it can be done in the second floor itself. And the third floor, the Sanctum Sanctorium is available, where the Lord is situated. The speciality of this Lord is, he resembles exactly like Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. The reason is, it has been, the size of the Lord Venkateshwara is 9 feet 3 inches. And because it is Kalyana Tirupati, consort Sridevi and Bhudevi also adjacent to him. One will be on left and right. And the sizes of the Sridevi and Bhudevi are matching to the Lord Venkateshwara. So these are one of the not only biggest idols in India. Apart from that, it is a grand appearance. People get stunned once they come to our
So one more question I want to ask you, sir.
Please.
So where it is brought from?
Sir, actually, these idols, they have taken Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, we have got it, sir. From Alipiri, Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam sculpture unit is there, department is there. There they have made, they have taken almost 3 times they have to make the idol. And this is the 3rd idol, because the reason is we were seeking the perfection. So after 3 years we were able to get the Lord in a beautiful way, and we are, if at all there is any satisfaction in our lives, the temple members, and apart from that, Lord is so beautiful and stunning, you forget yourself the moment you visit the temple. The strength of this temple is, it is a great team in India.
If anybody wants to cooperate, if anybody wants to donate,
Yes, sir.
because when there lack of funds only, nothing can be developed.
Yes, sir.
This is my intention. So apart from your committee members, what you are going to say, sir?
Sir, actually we have not got funds from any big institutes like either Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam or governments. Such a huge structure is constructed from the funds of the devotees and the friends and acquaintances, people known to us. And they are all great, so great, because today such a big temple is available. Each pillar can take the load of 243 tons. And around 4,000 people can be accommodated in this temple, who will need not be subjected to sun or rain. But what happens is, we are not having sufficient funds to develop first floor, that is marriage hall, second floor, that is dining hall. We had been requesting the people, but what happens, sir, when the acquaintance is a small group, you cannot go on asking them to donate again and again.
So donations cannot be demanded, because donations means that should be intentionally, voluntarily they should pay. We
Yes, sir.
cannot demand.
We cannot demand, sir. We cannot go to them again and again. Same person, we cannot go to them again and again. We request the devotees to kindly help us to develop the first floor and the second floor also, so that they can be used for the purpose of conducting more programs in the temple, which will be religious oriented.
So one more question, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many years took for this stage, sir?
Sir, almost 12th Brahmotsavams are supposed to be conducted in 2020, and 6 more years were added for construction of this temple, sir. That means around 18 years is a very long period. A young man will become a matured man in this period.
So again, I expect that it will be developed within short period, very shortly. I also wish to get it developed within short period, sir. Thank you very
Thanks
much.
to you for your wishes, sir.
Okay,
It
sir.
is nothing but the grace of the Lord, sir, to construct such a big temple. All of us, those who are involved in this temple, we get the satisfaction for lifetime. Really, we forget ourselves the moment we look at the Lord. Thank you very much for giving this time to us.